Hi, and welcome to the Project Planet program. This important hospitality environmental initiative is all about conserving our Earth's natural resources for future generations. The Project Planet Towels and Linens Reuse program sends an important message to hotel guests about your commitment to a superior overnight lodging experience that helps our planet at the same time. In order for the program to be consistently successful, it's important that every member of the hotel staff become familiar with the specific environmental benefits of the Project Planet initiative. It's very simple, really. The average 150-room hotel will save more than 72,000 gallons of fresh water each year using the program. And that's not all. The Project Planet program takes more than 500 gallons of detergent out of the waste stream during the year, easing the burden on your community's water treatment facilities. If your guests ask you for more specific information about the program, now you'll be able to answer them confidently. Your hotel has made an enthusiastic commitment to the program, and now the rest is up to you. And that's good news, because with Project Planet, you'll spend significantly less time changing sheets and towels and less time doing laundry. Best of all, the program is easy to put into place and easy to maintain. We've put together a simple step-by-step procedure for you. So sit back and relax as our executive housekeeper walks you through it.
Hi, welcome to the Project Planet program. I'm Lois, the executive housekeeper here. The housekeeping staff plays a very important role in the Project Planet program. Not only are you responsible for the implementation of the program, but you also choose where to place the products in the room, and I'm here to help you with that. For the Linen Reuse program, Project Planet gives you a choice of 2 products that you can choose from. One is the door hanger, and the other option is the pillow card. No matter which one you use, the placement of these are exactly the same. If there's a guest room with 1 bed, as seen here, it should be placed in the center of the bed, propped up against the pillows. If you have a guest room with 2 beds, then you have a choice. The best option is to place 1 product on each bed, again in the center, propped up against the pillows. If this is not an option, then you can choose to place it on the bedside table, which would be located in between the 2 beds. With the door hanger, although it may be tempting to place this inside the entryway door, as you would with the Do Not Disturb sign, this is really not the best option. For the best results, these should be placed either on the bedside table or on the bed where it can be the most visible. The second product in the Project Planet program is the table brochure. As you can see, this is a very colorful and attractive brochure that gives an overview of the program. This lets your guests know how important the environmental initiative is to this hotel. The brochure can be folded, and therefore the temptation might be to display it flat. However, I found this is not the most eye-catching for the guest. It is best to keep it open and place it in a prominent part in the room, either on a desk, on a dresser, or on an armoire as shown here. The linen replacement program is very easy to implement. As a matter of fact, it took me a very short time to train my own staff. Here, we have interior corridors, so we use the door hanger system. And this is very simple. Basically, if the guest would like to have fresh linens for the day, then they place this hanger on the exterior door outside on the handle. If they do not wish to have their sheets changed, then they do not place the hanger outside. The card states that the linens will be changed every 3 days. A guest may wish to participate by not having their linens changed on their first day with us, but would like it on the second. I simply have my staff scan the corridor each day to see which rooms need fresh linens. Now, if you're with a hotel that has exterior corridors, we do recommend that you use the pillow card. This card works exactly the same way, except that the guest will place the card on the pillow of the bed if they would like to have fresh linens for the day. If they do not need fresh linens, the card will more than likely be left by the guest on a table or on the desk. The third product in the Project Planet program is the towel reuse hanger. This should be placed in the bathroom on the same rack with the towels. We want the guests to associate the reuse hanger with the towels. It's important that this is not placed behind the door inside the restroom. Occasionally, there will be a guest who will travel alone who might not close the door to the bathroom. We want to make sure that the hanger is visible for all of the guests. The implementation of the towel reuse program is by far the simplest. There's a little saying that I like to tell my staff, and that is, if the towel is on the floor, they want more. The card states that if the guests would like to reuse their towel, they should simply hang it back up. If they would like a fresh towel, then they should leave the towel on the floor. And finally, I wanted my staff to know that not changing the linens or the towels each day was not a poor reflection of their own work, but rather a symbol of this hotel's commitment to the environment. The Project Planet program has been very successful at this hotel, and I wish you the best of luck with yours. Before I leave you and get back to my own work, there are a few key points that I'd like to review. First, in order for the program to be successful, it's very important that you use all three products together: the table brochure, the linen reuse product, and the towel hanger. Not only is it important to use all three products, it's also important that they are visible in the room at all times. Secondly, in order for them to be visible, they must also be in stock. Therefore, it's very important that you keep close tabs on the inventory. Occasionally, a guest may take one of the products home as a souvenir, and that is wonderful. What a positive reflection of the hotel. When it's time to reorder, it's very simple. The number is on the back of each of the products. It's important for your staff to know that these items are very important for each new guest and should be visible. This should become as simple and as routine as replacing the bar of soap or bringing in a new bottle of shampoo.
There you have it. Project Planet really works. And we hope that you're proud to play an important part in helping conserve our Earth's natural resources.
One important thing to remember: the Project Planet program is most successful when guests see these colorful materials not only in their rooms, but also at check-in. And we offer beautiful posters which you can place in hallways or elevators throughout the hotel to remind your guests to participate. And we haven't forgotten your own hospitality team. Our eye-catching Project Planet back-of-house posters and stickers can help you remember that saving your hotel's water and electricity makes you a vital part of this great effort too.
Here at Project Planet, we'd like to hear how you're putting the program to work in your hotel. We're often asked for case studies from our properties to be included in magazine or newspaper articles about the environmental efforts of the hospitality industry. And we'd like to let others know about the positive environmental impact your hotel is having on your community. Also, you may have specific questions relating to these procedures. Or maybe you'd like to hear from another hotel that's finding innovative ways to implement this program. Call us at 1-800-527-1195. We appreciate your willingness to participate in the Project Planet program, and we look forward to sharing new materials and program enhancements with you as they become available. Thanks again.